So let's see now. For directed graph, what is connectedness? So we have already seen a strongly connected graph. When can I say a graph is strongly connected? If you have one strongly connected component. There is something called weakly connected graph. Like a directed graph is weakly connected. The definition is very simple. A directed graph is weakly connected if the underlying undirected graph is connected. The underlying undirected graph is connected. So remember, these are the two categories for directed graphs. These are the two categories for directed graphs. The directed graphs, I can say that these are the two categories. One are strongly connected, and one important class is weakly connected. These are not opposite of each other. Remember, these are not opposite of each other. The definitions are completely different. Completely different. Strongly connected means number of a strongly connected graph means strongly connected component is one. Number of strongly connected component is one. And what is weakly connected graph? Means underlying. Remember, underlying undirected graph must be connected. Underlying undirected graph is connected. Graph is connected. Underlying undirected graph. Okay, so for this we check the underlying undirected graph that must be connected. For example, okay, take this. Let me give you some graphs. A, B, C. Tell me, is this graph strongly connected or weakly connected? What do you think? This graph. Let's see another graph. A, B, C. This graph. Okay, let's see these two graphs. So tell me, is this graph strongly connected? No. Is this graph weakly connected? Yes. What is the underlying? What is the underlying? See, this is the underlying undirected graph. Underlying undirected graph. Just remove the direction. Just remove the direction. Remove the direction. Okay, just remove the direction. Like remove the direction. Remove the direction. So this is underlying undirected graph that is connected. This is also not strongly connected, but this is weakly connected. Let's see this question. Now tell me. Now tell me. Again, this is not strongly connected. This is weakly connected. This is strongly connected also. This is weakly connected also. Look at this graph. A, B, C, D. What about this graph? This is not weakly connected. Remove the direction. See, remove the direction. Remove the direction. Now you can notice the underlying undirected graph is disconnected. Underlying undirected graph is disconnected. So this is not a weakly connected graph. This is not a strongly connected graph also. You can notice every strongly connected graph is a weakly connected graph also. Yes or no? Every strongly connected graph is a weakly connected graph also. So these categories are possible. Like strongly connected graph, weakly connected graph, which categories are possible? If this is true, then this is also true. If this is true, then this is also true. But if this is not true, then this can be true, this may not be true. Okay, so these are the three categories possible. Is this clear? Three categories are possible. Every strongly connected graph is weakly connected also, because you only have one strongly connected component. So this is the simple idea. Look at this. This graph, is this a strongly connected graph? This graph, is it strongly connected? Yes, there is a cycle. See, there is a cycle like this. So this is strongly connected also, weakly connected also. This is not strongly connected, but this is weakly connected.